Hello explorers! Welcome back to the channel where we uncover the extraordinary and the ordinary. Today we're diving deep into the heart of Paris, exploring the iconic Eiffel Tower like never before. We're not just scratching the surface, we're going beneath the steel and into the secrets. We're talking hidden apartments tucked away high in the sky, the tower mysteriously changing size with the seasons, expanding and contracting, and the crazy reason this symbol of Paris almost faced the wrecking ball. It's a tale of engineering, artistry, and a near miss with demolition. Think you know everything there is to know about the Eiffel Tower? Think again. Get ready to have your mind blown as we reveal secrets that will change the way you see this iconic structure forever. This is the Eiffel Tower, like you've never seen it before, so buckle up and let's jump right in. The secrets are waiting to be uncovered, and of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more epic content and incredible discoveries. Let's get started. In 1889, as the jaw-dropping centerpiece for the Paris World's Fair, Gustave Eiffel, legendary engineer, designed and built this masterpiece, and his name is literally on the tower. Believe it or not, Parisians and artists once called it a monstrous eyesore. Now it's the pride of Paris. Back in the early 20th century, the Eiffel Tower's fate hung precariously in the balance. It was initially intended as a temporary structure, a grand exhibit. It was supposed to be demolished after 20 years, its purpose seemingly fulfilled. But fate intervened in the form of a groundbreaking technology. Its use as a radio antenna saved it, a vital role in early wireless communication. Talk about a close call. Imagine Paris without its iconic landmark. The airwaves secured its survival. There are 1,665 steps to the top. Climbing it is a serious leg day challenge. Every night, 20,000 bulbs make the tower sparkle for 5 minutes every hour. Paris turns into pure magic. The tower's height can change by up to 6 inches with the temperature. Metal expands and contracts. For 41 years, the Eiffel Tower was the tallest man-made structure on Earth. Over 7 million people visit every year. That's like a small country flocking to Paris. There is a real post office on the first floor. Send a postcard with a unique Eiffel Tower postmark. In World War I, the tower intercepted enemy radio transmissions, turning it into a wartime hero. When Hitler visited Paris, resistance fighters cut the elevator cables so he couldn't reach the top. Legendary. There are Eiffel Tower replicas in places like Las Vegas and Tokyo. Imitation at its finest. The tower hosts fancy dinners, concerts, and countless marriage proposals. The ultimate romantic backdrop. On a clear day, you can see up to 42 miles from the top, Paris and beyond. The Eiffel Tower weighs over 10,000 tons, heavier than 1,500 elephants, yet so elegant. The Eiffel Tower is a global symbol of love, innovation, and Parisian culture, truly one of a kind. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of one of the world's most iconic structures. We've journeyed through its history, marveled at its design, and uncovered some truly fascinating facts. It's more than just steel and rivets. It's a symbol of innovation and human ingenuity. From its rocky start, facing criticism and doubt, to global fame, attracting millions of visitors each year, becoming a beacon of light and a symbol of love. This tower has seen it all. Through scorching summers and snowy winters, through wars and celebrations, it has stood tall, a silent witness to the passage of time. It's not just a landmark, it's a cultural icon, a symbol recognized around the globe. It's a testament to human creativity, a daring feat of engineering that pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible, and big dreams. It represents the audacity to dream big, and the determination to bring those dreams to life, no matter the obstacles. Next time you see it, whether in person or in a photograph, you'll know its secrets. You'll appreciate the history, the artistry, and the sheer scale of this incredible monument. Which fact blew your mind? Drop your favorite in the comments. We'd love to hear which fact surprised you the most. More epic videos are coming, exploring other amazing landmarks and uncovering their hidden stories. So stay tuned and stay legendary. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep discovering the wonders of our world. If you learned something new, if you enjoyed this journey of discovery, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Your support helps us create more content and share the stories of the world's most fascinating places.